Okay, once you're done with watching the introductory video, you should have clicked I am a student. Here, it takes you to the student page, where our essential question is, how can I use objects to add? You have 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are allowed to click the Join Story button, the Join Video button, the Addition Game 1, and the Addition Game 2 first, in any order you so choose. So if you click the Join Story button, it will take you to listen to a story. Press play to listen to the story. Once you're done, then you come down to Student Page. If you click the Join Video button, it'll take you to a video about joining together and adding together. Once you're done with this video, you scroll down and click again the Student Page. You can play the Addition Game. This will take you off of the website and produce a new tab. You can play this game as many times as you want with your partner. Make sure you guys are taking turns. When you're done with it, be sure to close out of it so you can come back to your web quest. The second game is just the same. It's a different game, but on the same website. And again, you and your partner play the game together. Once you guys are done, you press this little X to close out the tab so you can come back to your student page. Then you click here, your turn. Once you're done, everything else, you have to have done everything else before you come here. When you get here, you will upload a few things to Seesaw, and Ms. Green will respond to you. Once you're done watching the video, you'll be able to click the Seesaw to get to Seesaw with this button. Please only stay on the home page, the student page, and then the conclusion. This page is for teachers. Again, if you go back to the student page, you'll see everywhere you're supposed to go and when it's your turn to give me some work from Seesaw. Once you're done with your Seesaw, you'll go to the conclusion page. Here, I congratulate you on finishing your web quest. You'll write your name. You'll tell me if you like the web quest, yes, no, or a little bit. And you'll write maybe a few things that you thought about it. Down here is for teachers or parents. All right, guys, have fun.